between the slash and the E.
Damn. You say it like that, bro.
No, what?
Bro,
Hello.
it's as if you don't even know me, bro.
No, I do. What are you talking about, bro?
Who's that? Am I you need me as a witness? I mean, I
So
was.
you can stand
I was
up,
there.
face the other way.
Thing on, or we ask him to take it off?
It's a religious thing. You can keep it on.
Just checking.
Just make sure you confirm his identity.
Well, this is for the appeal to the
Oh, we already know
original,
it's him.
not
I've
the
heard his
one.
voice enough times already.
Okay.
What is that?
Right.
The
I mean,
fuck?
It's swag sausage.
Oh my god, I forgot.
Room aboard 303.
Are you ready to start?
I had to take pain
I'm
meds
gonna give him
and
another
shit for
minute
the
or two to
people
file
in
in.
the
Okay.
I mean, I still had the body cam, everything.
Oh, man.
Up there.
My butthole hurts after that cavity search.
This man.
Hey, free my nigga out that whenever you need me.
Sounds
Fuck
good.
outta
Thank
here.
you, brother.
Let me
I
just,
appreciate you.
Let me just talk to the
Bro,
judge,
get
chief
off
judge
my
over here.
wiener.
What are you doing out there, Rylan?
He's been deputized as a U.S. Marshal.
The U.S.
Not
Marshal,
your
huh?
girlfriend
Yeah,
anymore.
he's
We
the only
broke
U.S.
up,
Marshal
remember?
right now. The only other one was Paul Mall.
Paul Mall?
I can't.
Who the fuck is Paul
It
Mall?
was
Get
for
the
a
hell outta here,
confidential
Kane.
op.
You
I
got a
can't disclose what it was for, but some people know him as Mickey.
Chill out.
Mickey.
Rhonda's
Okay.
husband.
Yeah.
Alleged meth dealer.
141.
Alleged? Whoa.
It's only alleged. Oh.
Alright.
232.
When's about this starting?
About now.
Alright, I'm gonna take a seat then.
Alright.
Speak a little bit louder. He's,
232.
But trust me, bud.
Alright.
Is he with you?
For the case,
Bailiff, we're gonna go ahead and start if you want to announce
Hey,
it.
man.
if you sit here for
All
the
right,
case,
ladies and gentlemen, quiet in the courtroom, please. Silence in the courtroom. Take a seat. If you're not going to respectfully sit, I'm going to have you forcibly removed from this courtroom. If not, just stand by a seat, sir. Just stand by a seat. If need be.
I gotta sit next to him.
Alright. I, Germain Maximillian Francais, DeMarquis, Robbespierre Pendragon III, Esquire, Attorney at Law, Chief Judge in the State of San Andreas and all excluded territories, presiding in the First Circuit Court of Los Santos, hereby convene General Court. Is there anyone who wishes to conduct business with the court before we move on to cases on the docket? The only case on the docket currently is the State of San Andreas v. Mehmet Mehmet. We can hear about expungements, marital, if you want to contest any citations, traffic tickets, misdemeanor or felony charges, capital crime charges, or if you wish to bring any civil matters before the court. No one has business with the court. Alright, at this time we will move to the first and only case on the docket, State of San Andreas v. Mehmet Mehmet. This is an appellate court hearing regarding the decision of the First Circuit Court exactly 1 week ago. The prosecutor is the interim Solicitor General Longbottom. Mehmet Mehmet is represented by Paralegal Charlie White. Charlie White, if you will approach the bench and name the reason for the appeal.
We're here for the appeal of the last piece of evidence submitted by the judge in the last case.
Understood. Alright, at this time, if you would like to make your opening argument for appeal, defense counsel.
This appeal is for the evidence submitted by the judge. However, the judge has no evidence besides a phone log submitted. So we're here to fight that because we have no, like I said before, there's no evidence of what my client said or confessing to the crime.
And also, sir,
That's all, sir.
Alright. Solicitor General, if you would like to make a rebuttal.
Your Honor, at the time of the arrest, it is understood to the court that you were a direct witness to him pulling his phone out, dialing your number, and calling you face to face. For some reason, he decided to do that instead of just talk to you. We also do have the evidence of him live streaming his confession on Twitter and multiple other things. Those were submitted during the original trial, and you did previously state to me that you had contacted him on that same number before at the time that he had called you. So
Understood.
I do believe that that still holds true today.
Understood. All right, defense counsel, if you'd like to make your opening examination. I believe, other than the original evidence, only one more witness has been added to the roster.
Yes.
And who would that witness be? You are required to state their full legal name.
Mehmet Mehmet.
Is that? Are you sure that's the witness you're calling? Counselor?
Yes.
All right. Mehmet Mehmet, please approach the stand.
Complaint, please take the cone off his head.
Yep. All right. Marshal Ryland, would you please swear in the witness, Mehmet Mehmet?
Do you promise to say the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? Sorry, my voice. Fuck. Mehmet. Do you promise to say the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay.
You may begin your examination, counselor. Everyone,
All
please
right.
make sure they're yelling so everyone can hear them.
Hi, Mr. Mehmet. Thank you for being here with us today. So, according to the judge, he said that you called him. Is that correct? Did you, during this phone call, confess to any said crimes?
I disagree.
My client has a mental, and if you can save us some time, Your Honor. What was that?
Could you clarify what you're saying, counselor?
Yes, I can. Can you confirm or deny that you confessed to the judge during a phone call in the cell, saying that you did a crime, confessing?
No.
No? Okay. That is all,
No.
Your Honor.
Understood. Solicitor General, would you like to cross-examine?
Yes, I'd like to expand on the topics and evidence that was previously submitted.
That'll be permitted.
Agreed. How are you doing today, Mehmet?
Can I see that evidence?
Good.
You submitted the evidence, counselor. I believe you already have it.
Oh, that one. Yeah.
It's in the original file from the original case.
Yep. You can
Is
ask
it
him anything
true?
on that.
Is it true we have body cam of you admitting to bombing the courthouse? When you came in here and you decided to throw C4 at the bench, we do have body cam of you admitting to that, as well as live streaming your arrest on Instagram Live from inside the PD cell. Would you go ahead and confirm that for the court? Hello?
Yes.
Is that you confirming, or are you answering what are you doing?
I'm answering. I'm just saying, did you hear me? And I said yes.
So you do admit that you were live streaming and you admitted to it on the live stream in the cell. You asked Officer Hajj Kane at the time of the arrest, what am I being charged for? He then said, give me one moment, I'm going to take a look at your charges. And before he could open his MDT system, you said, I bombed the courtroom. Is that correct to the best of your ability?
Can you repeat?
So, let me just lay it out for the court here. On October 18th, during the initial trial, I believe it was during Charlie White's custody hearing, Mehmet here had entered the courtroom. He ran up about this location right here. There was C4 right in this location and blew it up, killing and maiming multiple people, as well as causing emotional damage and PTSD symptoms to multiple others. He was then arrested, and a Secret Service agent managed to incapacitate and detain him, at which point he was taken across the street to Rockford Hills Police Department, where he was charged and tried for the convictions. When he was in these cells, he decided he would live stream his arrest, and he was filming an Officer Hajj Kane with the Blaine County Sheriff's Office. During this arrest, Mehmet then decided to admit to bombing the court after asking Hajj Kane to provide evidence, and Hajj Kane said, these are your charges, and before he could relay that, he said, and I quote, I bombed the courthouse.
The defendant does have the right to invoke the Fifth, but if he does, he'll no longer be able to answer any questions.
The defendant pleads the fifth.
Alright, the defendant may exit the stand. Does the defense wish to go over any of the evidence previously listed in the case or any of the new witnesses added to the roster?
No, Your Honor.
Understood. Solicitor General, would you like to examine any of the evidence or any witnesses?
No, sir. I believe it's already been examined in the initial one. Yeah, I think it's pretty much open and shut at this point.
Alright. Defense, if you would like to start your closing argument.
Hi, Your Honor. We're here for the appeal of your statement, as I stated before. I have a confession from my client stating that he did not confess during a phone call, which means the identity of the person who supposedly bombed his courtroom is unknown, and I wish that my client be released and reinstated for his time spent in jail, Your Honor.
Understood. Is that all?
Yes, Your Honor.
Solicitor General, if you would like to start your closing statements.
Closing statement is just that the evidence that was provided was ample and sufficient in all regards to it. It was done by the book, by procedure, and any additional charges were brought against him immediately. We also had additionals that weren't brought against him immediately, and those were because we did not have ample evidence. So everything presented is currently factually correct to the fullest extent of the law and under threat of perjury.
Understood. I will go into deliberation. Everyone on the floor is to remain on the floor. Everyone in the peanut gallery may exit, walk around, talk, or eat as they wish without entering the floor. The court is now in recess.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Go ahead and call everyone back to their seats.
Alright, everyone, callers are back in now session. Please take your seats. Callers now session, please take your seats. So if you're gonna eat, please stop smacking your chops.
Alright. I, Germain Maximillian Francais, DeMarquis, Robbespierre, Pendragon III, Esquire, Attorney at Law, Chief Judge in the State of San Andreas and all excluded territories, presiding in the First Circuit Court of Los Santos, hereby reconvene the Appellate Court in the matter of State v. Mehmet Mehmet. I will now list all of the charges or procedural facts which I believe were in error or are hereby overturned by this court. I will now list all the charges from the first ruling or procedural decisions being upheld by the court. In the matter of State of San Andreas v. Mehmet, I hereby find Mehmet to be guilty on count 1 of 4 charges of murder of a public servant. That is DTAF. He is sentenced to 1,760 months and fined $2,800,000. Stat max. On count 2, 2 charges of second-degree murder of a civilian. I find it to both be DTAF and sentence him to 260 months and a $400,000 fine. Stat max. On count 3, 1 charge of felony obstruction of justice. It is DTAF. He is sentenced to 100 months, $50,000 fine. Stat max. On count 4, 1 charge of vandalism of government property. It is DTAF. He is sentenced to 40 months and a $40,000 fine. On count 5, 1 charge of terrorism. It is DTAF. He is sentenced to 190 months and a $300,000 fine. On count 6, 1 charge of possession of a Class A firearm. He is sentenced to 10 months, $10,000 fine. Stat max. On count 7, 1 charge of possession of Class D explosives. He is sentenced to 80 months, $80,000 fine. Stat max. The total is 2,440 months he is to be sentenced. It is capped max at 1,440 months. He is receiving time served for 440 months. He is to be sentenced on the original case for 1,000 months and fined $3,680,000. Additionally, I have found that the defendant has perjured himself and hereby in the appellate court sentence him on 1 count and 1 charge of perjury for 5 months and $5,000. Additionally, I find that the defendant has made terroristical threats, and also finding that this is DTAF, as during the time of making the terroristical threats, he was on the grounds. I hereby charge him with 1 count and 1 charge of terrorism. It is DTAF. He is to be sentenced for 190 months and a $300,000 fine. 1 moment while I total that. So he is to be sentenced to 1,190 months and a $3,980,000 fine. This is the decision of the appellate court in the first appellate court district of San Andreas. Do any parties have any final procedural motions or petitions?
Your Honor, did he not already serve the fine in the first one?
He has not. I confirmed it with him, and he said that he has not been served time nor fine, nor is there any record of such a thing.
Lies.
I have it on body cam. Catch him! Catch him!
Holy shit! He just blew it. What the fuck?
I know, right?
Who the fuck didn't take the sticky bombs off him?
We were even told this. We were told by PD
No.
to also not.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna be real with y'all. Someone needs to get fired. Someone needs to get fucking fired.
Charlie, did you tell them not to search him?
I did not say
No,
that.
it wasn't.
I said no. I said search him.
We're dead
and take
back here.
everything
We're
off
dead.
of him. What? Not clear instruction was that not given?
Well, I mean, I don't know how it was given to him, so someone else got in here.
I would like
Someone from PD then.
make sure
Somebody's
to
getting
arrest
fired.
Charlie
What
White.
the
Someone
fuck
needs to
was
get
that?
fucking fired, bro. What the fuck?
Because why else arrest Charlie White for corruption and
Nah, bro, someone needs to get fucking fired.
Oh!
and
I'm like
criminal
a fresh baked Christmas turkey.
It's okay, Germain. Germain.
Germain is crazy, bro.
God damn it, dude.
Did anybody die?
Charlie White's guilty of.
Did anybody
Put him
die?
down. Put him
Can't do
down.
that.
Francais.
Oh shit.
Why can't I?
I don't know. He's saying you can't do it.
Can't
We
do
need.
that.
We need. Where's
I
Where's,
can't do
where's
that.
emergency
Why?
services?
Shut up.
Shit right here, bro. We got a nurse right here.
Hey, I'm gonna get him to. We got a nurse. We got a medic in the house.
I got him.
I got multiple med kits.
Go ahead and back up real quick.
Oh, someone please help me.
I always knew Charlie was corrupt.
Oh, I like when you hold me like that.
I am innocent.
We got more guys down.
Well, you're definitely not innocent now.
Are you guys okay?
What's wrong with this gentleman right here? Is he blew up the
Oh.
with explosives?
Are you okay, Judge?
Oh, yeah, I feel better.
We got that on body cam, right?
Where's
Yes,
where's
we
White?
do.
Okay.
Okay, so we will have to schedule another trial now, but he will be sentenced and fined, and I'm gonna sentence and fine him myself because of this.
Wow.
Make sure you take all the evidence off of him, bailiff.
Listen, I'm not gonna lie to you, Judge. I think this brings in some of our officers and lawyers' validity.
All right, Stan. Well, actually, where's the Solicitor General at?
Nah, bro, we need to roll back body cam. Everybody that got searched should have fucking body cam, bro.
Yeah.
Well, we were
That
told
should not have
not
happened.
to search him. We were told not to search
By
him.
who?
By who?
Wasn't me, but
This man is in this courtroom
Wait,
because
but
of
when
terrorism.
I was
Search the
coming
fucking
in,
guy.
I
All right,
walked
hey,
out.
order in the court.
Quiet,
Order in
was
the
he not?
court. Order in the
Honor.
court. Order in the court. Where's the Solicitor General at?
At the beginning I have searched this man. He had only feet on him.
See,
Yeah, I test to that. I saw him search him. I watched him get searched.
do you have body cam of that?
Alright.
Of you
That was
searching
so
him?
long ago.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I should have.
Please send that to the judge.
Yep.
We body cam, or
One second,
I know
looking.
I searched him, and then I told him to go put his bullets away and his radio.
But he
And then
didn't have
I
any
was-
explosives.
And then yes, he did not have any explosives. And then by this officer right here, I was told just take it off of him. He's the only exception.
Yeah, I've taken the phone and the bullets from him.
Oh, shit,
So
you got that on
therefore,
body
where
cam?
did he get explosive?
He was
I have
clearly
had-
handed
Smuggled
to
in
it.
or
He was handed it.
I was
He
having
was handed it.
continuous recording, so if he was handed it, he was handed it when I went into deliberation.
Oh shit, I don't got my
We
Yeah,
need
we
body
would've seen
cam.
it.
And
We
the
would've seen him
only
plant it.
the only person that was with him at that time was Charlie White.
That shit was planted during
Fuck
recess.
you, Marsh. Fuck you.
That's how you want to react to this? Instead of
Mhm.
defending yourself, you just want to
Sure.
start
I
cussing me out?
already got myself defended.
Hey,
You
we
wanna
don't need
go
to
and-
argue
you
here. We
wanna-
just need to figure out what the
Yeah.
fuck happened. We need to start
What do
pulling
you
out
think?
body cam. Is what we
The
need to do.
judge and Longbottom already know what happened.
Hey, Oppo, you wouldn't want mind telling us how you got it, would you?
Meow. You mean Mehmet, bro? That's not Abu, bro.
All right.
Oh shit, my bad. I'm
Mehmet,
sorry.
Mehmet, if you tell me, I won't DTAF anything you just did in the trial. That's
On
double
God.
time and fine.
Wait,
You won't be
about
double
searching the
time
place or searching
and
him?
fine for anything you're charged with for what you just did today. If you tell us where you got the
About
money.
him or about the place the courtroom's with?
That's a lot of money, Mehmet. I mean, you're gonna save yourself probably at least $1 million.
I think that money needs to be taxed. I think where's the
see.
source of income?
Well, unfortunately, Mehmet,
Where's
Charlie
Longbow?
was
Have
put
we got
on as a
Longbow?
public defender because you claimed that you were too in debt to afford one. So unfortunately, now I'm going to have to charge you for all of the court cost and lawyer fees.
That's another 10 mil right there.
Oh, how did you
Yeah.
read my thoughts? How did
What
you
happened?
read my thoughts? That is
You're-
crazy.
Oh, what happened?
You're doing sign language. We're watching your hands behind your back. You're doing a little
I'm
bit of sign
handcuffed.
language.
Mm,
Hey, hey, slash me is sign language. Slash do is you
No.
doing something, Mehmet.
Wait, really?
It is.
yes.
It doesn't exist. Slash do doesn't exist.
Yes,
oh,
it
wait,
does.
See? Yeah, so I'm sorry, Mehmet, but you're fucked. I'm gonna have to total up, because I can tell you it's at least 5 million now is what I've spent. So, I tell you what, I won't charge you for the court fees or the lawyer fees if you tell me and give us evidence of where you got the bomb from. Otherwise, this is gonna cost you a lot more than a $4 million fine.
You mean to tell me Mehmet bombed the court and I'm being sued for assuming Mehmet's cousin?
You can't
Oh my
slash
God.
do a communication. I don't know what you're doing there, Mehmet.
Mm.
Can I speak to my
Oh,
lawyer?
how the mighty
I want to speak
Charlie,
to my lawyer.
No, you're in a shit sandwich, bro.
I advise you to say it. Just say it.
Yo, hit me up.
Tell us where you
Okay,
got
okay.
Cam.
Tell you
Okay,
got the
fine.
bomb.
Carlos.
Carlos
Carlos.
Rodriguez.
Carlos.
Carlos, what's
Charles
Carlos's last name?
Carlos Spicy.
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez, yeah.
And how did he get this to you?
He didn't give it to me.
So how
How'd
did
you
you
get
get
it in
the
the
bomb
courtroom?
that you bombed this court with?
He was outside.
Okay, but
What?
how did he get it to you?
After you were searched.
I didn't take it. No, I didn't take it.
He gave it to you?
So he planted it.
Your Honor, you're gonna contact you.
No.
That's kind of important.
No. Well, Carlos
He
planted
had to
it.
have given it to you.
Planted
No.
it 2 hours before. And
The
he
room
was
is
standing
checked
outside.
right before.
So hold on, let me get this straight. I'm gonna say something. He planted it. That means he detonated it, right? And when,
Yes.
like, the timing must have been
Guys
impeccable.
Standing outside
Timing
watching
must have been
the court.
impeccable for you to run out like that.
He was
So
outside.
cut the shit. Cut the shit.
There was
You
a-
had
there
it.
He was
There was
outside.
a guy standing
No,
He was
outside watching
outside.
the whole court case.
Hey,
I was
he was
watching
outside.
him watch it.
Stan, call for the units outside.
gave me a
Search the
signal.
second floor. There must be someone listening to us. He must have heard me yelling my verdict. That's the only way. he could
Everyone
know
search
what
the
it's
top
in.
floor,
Sir,
please,
sir,
of DOJ.
sir.
There is one.
when I was
person up
looking
there.
outside, there was a man
I'm
standing
authorizing
out
anyone
there.
to be detained.
And I
up
can't
there.
even talk. My voice is fucking gone.
Yeah, it was Nick Solis and somebody else.
Yo, this shit was fucking.
Oh,
Yeah,
I love
Carlos.
it. I love it.
This was
Who was here?
and I
Who
was
did it?
fucking around and saying,
Carlos
well,
Rodriguez.
Long bomb.
It was
That
him.
would have been so
Long
right.
bomb.
I would have been so right.
Oh, be careful. You might get sued for it. They're trying to get me for that, but you know, this book is telling the story itself. I might not even have to go to court.
About to bomb everyone.
Hey, can someone open the door for her?
It was me the whole time.
Stan, can you open the door for her, please?
You know, it is funny,
No,
Carrot,
wait,
you were
wait,
there
wait.
when I shot homeboy with the beeping briefcase. Now you're here with bombs.
Hey man, listen, bro. I got bombed my fucking first day back, bro.
Wait a second.
This fucking guy drove a plane for us, grabbed an oil rigger, blew it up.
Can we have
into
everyone who's not PD or Secret Service or lawyers out
know
of
what's
the
crazy?
courtroom?
'Cause as soon as I saw him running, bro,
Oh yeah,
I
I'm
wanted
not
to run,
Secret Service or nothing. Can I go out?
You're staying here.
Nice try.
Motherfucker, I'll tell you that. I don't know where that bomb was.
Unfortunately, Mehmet has to stay.
Right, dude,
Mehmet has a big service to send.
I'll tell you what.
Yes, I'm assuming that he's already been searched
We're
and
born with
everything.
that ability.
Max, can you take that guy out with the black
Well-
t-shirt?
Who black t-shirt?
That's
Guy over there, just take him out. No one else.
That we have.
Oh yeah.
No one else inside.
You see this? You see this last name? You see this last name,
Yeah,
boys?
yeah, I see, yeah.
Okay.
You got that? Yeah.
He
We have the-
he also put it on God. I didn't even know he believed in God.
We do.
you
Allah
sound
is
like
God. We believe in God.
I know
We
I
don't
sound like
believe.
shit.
We don't believe Jesus is the prophet. Allah is always God, though.
Muhammad.
No, Jesus is the prophet.
Allah.
Isa is the prophet. Isa is the
my boy's
prophet
the-
of
is
Allah.
the other
Is this
side.
guy,
My
is this
boy's
guy
the
Middle
other side.
Eastern?
I'm Bosnian.
Bosnian.
Okay.
Bosnia. Oh yeah, Bosnia. Okay, okay. Iranian.
Are you Sunni?
I'm Assyrian. No, Samir.
So you're Shia?
I'm Assyrian.
Yes, but no.
Yeah.
You're Muslim.
No. Don't ever call me that again. I'm Assyrian.
Are you Muslim?
I'm not Syrian. I'm Assyrian.
Are you Muslim?
Negative.
What's your religion?
I'm Christian.
استغفر الله يا عيسى
تدري شجورة أنا مخلط له قاموا بدأتها
لا إله إلا الله.
أها واه يلا يلا الحمد لله قاموا بد يلا
يا شرموطة. يا
أريد
كلب.
أمك okay don't tell me this tell me this
يا حيوان.
yeah go ahead and type that up in your guys' little courtroom meeting. Go ahead and type that up.
Just give me
The
4 hours.
transcript is an audio one.
Just give me 4 hours.
Yeah,
give me
go
4
ahead.
hours on Google Translate. And I'll get back to you.
You guys go ahead and type that up.
Give me 4 hours of Google Translate. And I'll
I
get back
kind
to
of
you.
want to say something, but I feel like it'll be racist, so I'm not going
No,
to
it
say
won't.
it.
It won't. Trust me. It won't.
You can't say some shit like that.
Some of us have thick skin around here.
No.
Yeah.
It won't.
Respect
Go for
on
it.
somehow.
Say it.
Respect on getting the bomb in here, though. You know.
It kind of sounded like you were gargling a hot dog. I'm not gonna lie. Don't know how else to put it.
It's the chai we drink, you know.
Yeah.
You drink suck on
Kennedy,
chai
can I
hot
talk
dogs?
to you
Hot
for a
chai.
second?
Hot chai.
Huh?
All
I
right,
would like
boys.
to talk to you for a second, Kennedy.
No, I'm here holding the
I guess
suspect a
court's
minute
adjourned.
after.
I guess this pretty much wraps up
Court was adjourned
my
like 10
day in
minutes
court.
ago.
I don't think I'll have to be here for the other one.
Oh, yes, you will.
Oh, yeah, I am gonna have to read the judgment for that. Before we send you off for this one, we'll read the judgment for the suit.
So is he?
Yeah, we have to.
Yeah, we're gonna send him. We're just gonna read off the verdict on a civil suit. Both sides agreed to summary judgment. If all sides will be seated, bailiff, just hold him where he's at right now. He's lost the right to sit in a seat.
I'll stand in the middle here and let him face you.
All right.
Why don't you remove his remove the attire?
All right,
Put him in the
Mehmet.
face.
In the matter of Mehmet Mehmet v. State of San Andreas civil case,
Going up, gang
we
sign.
rule in favor of the State of San Andreas. We believe that the officers did indeed have a justifiable fear on their life based on past interactions listed in court record, as well as the actions perpetrated by the defendant and behavior and mannerisms enacted. We hereby close this case. No restitution is awarded.
What for all either right here?
Alright. Now
No,
we
I'm
can
not.
send him.
No, I'm not
Hey,
suing.
Judge.
My cousin is.
What is that in court, Mehmet? Like 0
Oh
and
wait,
7?
I was just
Judge.
I know, I'm reading the one for Abdul Mehmet Mehmet. I misspoke.
Yes.
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 We'll
Mehmet
the defense counsel will inform your cousin of the decision of the court.
Alright.
Alright.
He was racially profiled
How do you know anything
don't-
about that?
I don't know.
because my cousin told me.
He did?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
He's
I mean,
not sure
I
about
think,
that.
yeah, I wouldn't go down that road, Mehmet. That's not something we do here,
Okay.
you know. All right. Well, I guess Marshall, if you want to secure him, we'll take him in the chambers, fine, and send him.
How many months is he going for?
He's going for 1,000 months, and he will be fined 3,900,000 and.
Where's the cells at?
Oh, we just take him to the back room here.
Yeah, hang on, but yeah, hang on. Don't send him directly, because if he's serving max, we're gonna have to transport him into the max cells itself. So I'm gonna need an officer
gotcha.
with me to go ahead.
If you want to go ahead and
come
arrange
into the prison.
transport while I set the fine.
I want to.
Yeah,
I will get the phone
someone,
ready.
if someone does want to take him.
We'll hold him here in my chambers where it's locked and secured until then.
Hey, Chief Judge, I want to talk to you after.
All right.
Yeah, Chief Judge, I want to talk to you too.
Okay. I'm gonna
Open
go.
this door real quick, Judge.
All right. There you go.
Hey, all I need
That
from
isn't-
y'all
that
is
isn't the
just that
case
when you
that's
guys are about to
pertaining
send
to you.
him, just radio over, so I'm ready to go ahead and cuff him and put him into
Oh, I
max
didn't-
cells.
I got you. Do you want to
That's
do
all I need.
do you want to do a full transport or just have someone
It's
there?
that's completely up to you. This is your thing. But if he's serving max sentence, we
There
can
was
put
no
him in a max
profiling at
cell
all.
wanna
directly.
transport
Wasn't up
Mehmet?
until the-
Criminal profiling there's nothing wrong.
Do you want to transport to prison? I give it to anyone who gets more than
Hang on.
500. It's your choice.
I think PD should.
All right, transport.
Yep.
Yeah,
Well,
that way we
so
don't.
then-
I don't get intercepted or something. You know what I mean?
All right,
And
then
then
we
I'm
can go.
fucked.
We can go ahead and do an air transportation. Are you
Because
a marshal?
I don't have access to the radio. No. I'm not. No, I'm not a marshal.
Oh,
But
okay.
he made me one for the court case.
Yeah, no, that's completely fine. I mean, if you're one for the court case, you can go ahead and hop in the chopper with me. That's all. That's all I'm
Yeah, I
saying.
got you, my boy. I got a gun on me.
All right, cool.
All right. What?
Wait,
Hold on. I still gotta
when
find
we
him.
have that court case from
Hey,
the-
stay in
Hey, can
CD
you let
though,
me
Chief
back
Judge.
there?
I'm gonna call
Yeah,
you, okay? Once I'm done with this.
Shit.
Can
I want to speak. I want to speak to Chief.
You can.
Listen, bro, you
speak to
blew
me.
him up.
You can
You-
speak to me
No.
while I'm finding you, Mehmet.
Hey, I need
Do I
be
have
let in the room for a second.
the right for a phone call?
I need to be
Nah,
let in
You
the
man,
room.
have
no,
the right for a phone
he
call.
does.
As,
You're blowing
But-
us up like that?
Yes, but we can't do
Yes.
it until he gets to prison.
Oh,
In
Judge,
okay.
will you
fact-
let me in, please?
No.
1 second.
I want to call
It's-
my family
Can you
members.
come in?
No,
The
it's
door's open
unlocked.
for me.
It's locked. It's not for me.
Hold on. Give me a second.
That's okay.
Jesus.
Damn, Kelly.
All right, come in.
What's up?
This has been a long ride, brother.
What's going on?
Nothing. I just needed something.
What did you need?
I am doing private work. Sorry, I cannot disclose due to city Bible rules. I cannot disclose what I'm doing.
Oh, I got you. You're
I'm,
handling a Department of
Like, so
Immigration
any court
thing.
case that comes up against
Yeah,
any government
yeah.
entity, DOJ,
Gotcha.
PD,
Can I be let? I
EMS,
guess I can just do it right
Traffic
here. It's cool.
Service, whatever it may be, if it's owned and operated by the
Callahan, I
government,
still got this, bro.
I don't.
No.
All right, he has
I
been.
don't have a choice.
Mine still
Fine.
says sergeant.
Nah, it's
Can I speak to
Yeah,
Chief
but
Judge?
I can't.
He's right here,
disclose
brother.
the
Whatever you gotta
information,
say,
but
you
we
can
can
tell him
try
right
to
now.
No, in private.
Pretty much kind of decide. what
No, I'm not
happens
letting you
with
go,
that.
man. He's
Chief Judge, can you give me permission to speak to you in private?
I mean, you can speak to me right here. Everything you
Yeah,
say
the
here in
Frankie thing?
chambers is, private enough.
Well, these people are hearing it. It's kind of personal.
Okay, just whisper.
Well, they still hear me.
Anything
Those-
in anything in the
request an
chambers is a non-disclosure. So you can go ahead.
Plus, those two are old
Well.
men. They don't have good hearing anyway.
Well,
Yeah.
just whisper, my boy.
I want to call my family members, please.
No.
Family members?
Yes, please.
You get your free phone call over at the jail, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
but we
you
can't
have-
unfortunately give you a
no,
phone
no,
call right now.
It's very bad signal in prison.
No. It's a direct landline. There's phones in the jail.
Yeah,
prison.
but
Yeah.
but my mom and dad have very bad phone signal.
It's okay. It's a
Well,
landline,
that's-
Bill.
Yeah. So what's the difference between here and the prison if they have bad service? You understand?
That's a good point.
Because I'm
If-
calling them from WhatsApp, and which is used by Wi-Fi.
Let's go ahead and start this transportation.
Yeah.
Did you find him?
Find him? Yeah, Mr. Chief Judge.
Yeah, I find them.
Okay.
Let's get out of here.
The
Let's get outta
the fines still going through the MDT are working, right? That are
And
fine.
through the MDT, no.
No.
You have to T/invoice him directly.
Invoice. All right.
I already
29. Give me a
got the
second.
invoice. No, I already got the invoice, bro.
No, he didn't.
Yes, I did. I have body cam. I have body cam. I literally have body cam.
What's his special
Are we
numbers?
are we invoicing him? Because I have body cam too. Are
Yep.
we invoicing him for what happened just now, or are we invoicing him for the case itself?
We're
What
invoicing
happened?
for the case. He's gonna have another trial for what he just did.
Okay, so remember. Okay.
I all I did was clicked find in the MDT, but I'm guessing that's not how it works now.
No. I got invoiced.
All
I
right.
got the invoice already.
What's
I
the
have-
special numbers?
Bro, I have body cam. I have body cam that I was invoiced.
29. You said you have body cam?
Yes, I have body
Alright,
cam.
well,
that
if
I was
that's the
invoiced.
case, we'll go ahead and invoice you now, and you can send in that body cam, and if it's accurate, then we'll go ahead and give you that money back.
Yeah, we'll give you the full. Yeah.
Yep. There we go.
Alright.
Bro,
All right.
Alright.
I was invoiced twice now.
No, but we'll give it back. Hey, listen, if you give us body cam, or will you give PD body cam? They'll for sure give you the money back.
We'll reimburse you
if
for
it's-
that
yeah.
for that
This
second
is
charge.
corruption.
It's not corruption, my man.
Go ahead and open the door.
Yeah, open up the door.
No, wait, I gotta switch back. All right. There we go.
Yeah, don't know, don't care.
Oh, muscle
Especially
spasm.
after,
Oh!
especially after you see what's going on.
Insurrection!
It was like you saved that.
Oh, oh, he fought back. He fought back.
All right.
Transporting him.
Good job, Solicitor General.
You're welcome.
Yep. Not you.
All
Alright. Hey, after we transport him, I'll get all of you paid, alright? Especially you, Kennedy, you're getting a bonus.
Bet. Wait, how you transfer him, Hallie?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Chief Judge, are you gonna stay here?
No, I'm coming.
Okay. Can you have a Secret Service agent watch over my car? I have some valuable stuff in my car.
You know you can park it.
I could have someone depot it.
No, you could park it right here.
Yeah.
Do I? Okay.
You got
No,
time
you don't
to go
need to
ahead
be.
and park it.
Yeah.
I'll take
Oh
him.
wait, does it need to be long?
Hey, Judge, do you mind if I come
Oh, we're
just to see how it
transporting by
works? We're
heli?
supposed to have
I
an interview
can't.
together today.
I know.
Alright,
I'll come
fuck it.
back and have the interview with you, but I can't have you during the transport, you know?
Alright.
Okay.
Oh wait, Rylan, you're coming? I thought
I'm,
the judge was.
I'm from St. Martin.
Bye. Alright. I guess I can't have that interview. Let's go have
Did they
it.
leave you? Did they leave you?
Yeah, there wasn't room, and, you know, I technically probably shouldn't be going with them, you know? Hey, Secret Service agent, could you watch over the car over there? It's got some valuable stuff. Make sure no one gets into it.
Which one?
He didn't specify. I'm not sure which one it is, actually. Yeah? Which one is it?
I
It's
didn't know you were trying to come in. You can
Okay.
get in.
Can I? Okay. It's the Maybach.
Hello, my love.
Hi.
One sec.
Jebediah, will you keep that lawyer, applicant, woman company for me while I escort the prisoner? Am I able to get in?
My
Yeah,
God.
are you?
I don't think I am.
Nah, shit. I don't think you can then.
Yeah.
My fault, brother.
Thank you anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, it's the Maybach out there.
Said what?
It's the Maybach out there, that black one. Make sure no one gets
Escorting
into
who?
it.
Oh God, Germain. Oh God.
Yeah?
Oh God, I gotta go. Oh God, I'm so sorry.
I got you. You got eyes on it?
So this the black one?
Yeah.
Which one would that be? There's
It's
multiple black ones.
the black Maybach. It's the old-timey open top car.
Yeah, I got you.
I just
Alright.
ran him over. My tires are popped. Now
Air 1, take evasive actions. There are apparently people targeting you.
10-4. Let me get some officers over there at the state prison, please.
Alright, you can follow me, ma'am.
Go 276. 3 is attaching.
My office is up here at the top.
10-4, same traffic. 4, same traffic as well.
So 2 is going to be 2 mics out.
What would you like us to do with the passenger of the red vehicle?
I don't know anything, let him go and then head to President, start security for transport. I won't learn it till we